Hi, hello, what's goody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Meech. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for sticking around. As always, grateful to have you here. So today is Vlogmas day 3 and I decided to do a holiday kind of glam look. I had the help of my friend Nadia. I will put all her information in the description box below. Otherwise, this video is going to be kind of chill, just very like relaxing. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look with the help of my lovely MUA friend, then definitely just keep on watching. So we did one eye off camera. What else did you do? You did my brows. Yeah. She did one eye. I can't even see from here. I'm like a little bit nervous. But so far, I feel like I look weird from this angle, but I'm rolling with it. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. She's gonna do the other eye. Then we're gonna do some skin. I'll show you all the products we are using as we go along. Other than that, let's get into it. So if you reached this far, then you might as well like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, because it really helps me and it helps the algorithm. So yeah, otherwise stay fierce, stay real, and I'll see you guys on another video. Bye. What the fuck was I gonna say? Oh my god. Never expect it.
What am I gonna use to put this on? Because I don't want to fuck up one of my brushes.
Not me clapping to start talking and then you're like, try to look for my brushes.
Oh, I said, oh, my bad.
Just between you and I, have you ever had a unsatisfied client? Well, today's about, no, I'm joking.